Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and signing into your account. This gives you saved places and higher resolution options. Enter your house address or paste coordinates in the search bar, then press Enter. Once done, zoom in steadily, not too fast, because Imagery loads by tiles and skips if you rush. Make sure 3D buildings are enabled and device location is on for best alignment. You're doing this now to get the clearest, correctly placed view of your property. Now refine the view. Zoom closer, then tilt and rotate to see roof lines and yard depth. These controls change perspective and reveal occluded details. If available, open the Times slider or historical imagery to compare dates. This helps if recent edits or construction matter. Drop a place mark on your house to lock the view and toggle layers like labels or 3D buildings to declutter or add context. These steps let you inspect features accurately and choose the best imagery for saving or exporting. Finish by saving the view. Add the placemark to My Places, then export an image or take a screenshot at the resolution you need. For print, pick larger sizes. Use the ruler tool to measure distances and area. Annotate with labels if you'll share this. If the image is blurred or missing, clear the app cache, try a different imagery date, or open Google Earth Pro on desktop for higher resolution tiles. These fixes resolve most display or sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.